Turning to the ongoing investigation into the case that led to the nation's first ever presidential impeachment now, a decision will be out on Wednesday on whether one of Park's former top aides, Woo Byung-woo, will be arrested. He's not only suspected of involvement in the scandal, but interfering with the investigation as well. For details, let's turn to our Lee Unshin.
State prosecutors are seeking to add one more name to the roster of inmates at the Seoul Detention Center, who have been locked up in the wake of the massive corruption scandal that led to Park Geun-hye's impeachment, including a number of high-profile officials. The Seoul Central District Court is currently reviewing an arrest warrant request filed Sunday for Park's former senior presidential secretary for civil affairs, Woo Byung-woo. Woo is facing a number of charges stemming from the scandal, including aiding and abetting Choi Sun-sil, the woman at the center of the scandal, and abusing his authority to obstruct the independent counsel's probe into the case. Woo has maintained his innocence, claiming he was oblivious to Choi's alleged wrongdoing. This is prosecutors' second warrant request for Woo. In February, the court dismissed the request filed by the independent counsel, saying there wasn't enough evidence to prove the allegations against him. But legal experts say Woo may not be so lucky this time, as many former Park administration officials are now behind bars on corruption charges related to the scandal. The court is expected to rule on the warrant early Wednesday at the latest. Meanwhile, prosecutors are aiming to wrap up their interrogation of Park this week, before campaigning for the upcoming presidential election starts on Monday. Lee Unshin, Arirang News.